So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn on dividend reinvestments inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada using the Wealthsimple application. So once you're into to your Wealthsimple account, make sure to go into your FHSA or your first home savings account. Then once you're here, first off, you have to have some stocks or some ETFs or whatever inside of your portfolio. So for me, for demonstration purposes, I actually have a couple recurring investments, and I only have a portfolio of FTS or Fortis as well as VFV. But if you wanted to turn on, so let's just say these, for example, these stocks, if I were to go into Fortis right now and scroll down, there is a dividend yield of 4.21%. With VFV, there is a dividend yield of 1.52%. So both of these holdings actually do produce dividends, I believe, on a quarterly basis, if I'm not mistaken. And if you want to turn on these dividends to be automatically reinvested into your account, as compared to giving them back in the form of cash, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top right, press on this gear icon. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says automations and where it says dividend reinvestments. For me, it is actually turned on, but yours might say just turned off. Simply just press on this right here, and where it says reinvest eligible dividends, what you can do is actually have this checked on or checked off. So for me, as I mentioned before, it is checked on, the stocks that qualify for this are the ones that I have, Fortis and VFE. Obviously, if your stock that you have purchased doesn't produce a dividend, this is not going to be relevant, but if it is, you can just go ahead and do that, and there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can turn on the dividend reinvestments inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.